Hello students. So today we are going to start practice set 11 standard 6. So in this practice set some points are fractions and given and some are the blank. We need to fill this blank. So before filling this just remember that here the point is 0, 1, then after 1 B, this is point 2. Okay, this is point 2. Now this is 1, 0, 1 and 2 and A and B are the blank columns which we needed to fill. Now observe here, whatever the number which is given in the denominator, the number which is present in the base, it is means that the columns from 0 to 1, that much columns are present. For example, here the base number is 6, right? Base number 6 means that the distance from 0 to 1 is divided into the 6 column, right? We can calculate. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 6 ke upar 1. Now the distance between 1 to 2 is also divided into the 6 column also, because the which started the first, the difference between 0 to 1 should be the same from 1 to 2. Now this is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the base number indicate that how much columns or how much dividation should be there between 2 points. 0 to 1 is divided into the 6 and 1 to 2 is also divided into the 6. So in this way we are going to fill these columns. So the first one is 0 upon 6, this is 1 upon 6. So obviously after 1 it will be 2 upon 6. This is 3 upon 6, this is 4 upon 6 and the A will be 5 upon 6. The column will be 5 upon 6. This is 5. Now this is 6 upon 6, then 7 upon 6, then 8 upon 6, 9 upon 6. And the B column will be 10 upon 6. Right? Now in the next one, here the base number is 5. The base number is 5. Means the distance from the 0 to 1 is 5. Right? The distance from 0 to 1 is divided into the 5 column because the base number is 5. Like we can calculate 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many columns are there? Total 5 columns are there. This is 4 and 5. So let's fill the, if this is 5 upon 4, then this is obviously 4 upon 5 or 4 upon 5 before is this column will be 3 upon 5, right? Because this is 5 upon 5. After 5, this is 6 upon 5. So the B will be 7 upon 5. Now, in the next one, now here the base number is not given to us. Here it doesn't show that 0 to 1 is divided into how much column. So, but we can calculate this is the distance from 0 to 1, right? This is the distance from 0 to 1. Let's calculate this column. How many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many columns are there from 0 to 1? Total 7 columns are there. So it means that this is 0 upon 7, 1 upon 7, now 2 upon 7 and the B will be 3 upon 7. 4 upon 7, 5 upon 7, 6 upon 7, 7 upon 7, 8 upon 7, 9 upon 7 and this column will be 10 upon 7. So like this way we have completed our first question. Hello students. So the question number 2 is show the following fraction on the number line. We have given some fraction number. We need to show this number on a number line. So the first number is 3 upon 5, 6 upon 5, then 2, 3 upon 5. So the base number is 5, which means that we need to draw or we need to divide 0 to 1 between 5 column. For example, if this is my 0, then I will divide my 0 into 5 column like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 means this is my 1. Now after 1 again 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this is my 2. After 2 also 5. The distance should be same. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is my 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is my 4. Now the first number which we needed to show, that is 3 upon 5, right? The first number is 3 upon 5. So this is 0 upon 5. This is 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5 and this number is 3 upon 5. So you will make a column here and write 3 upon 5. So this is 3 upon 5. After 3, we needed to show 6 upon 5. So this is 4 upon 5, 5 upon 5, and this is my 6 upon 5. Just show here that 6 upon 5. After 6 upon 5, we needed to show 2 3 upon 5. 2 3 upon 5 means that after 2, this is my 2 now. After 2, you need to show 3 upon 5. So if we calculate it from here 2, so this is after 2, this is 1, 2 and 3. So this is my 2 3 upon 5. So this is my 2 3 upon 5. The next one is 3 upon 4, 5 upon 4 and 2 1 upon 4. The base number is 4, which means that we will divide 0 to 1 into 4 columns. So let's draw. If this is my 0 column, then this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be my 1. Here it will be 0. Now again 4 column. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 2. Again 4 column. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is 3. Then again 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is 4. Now and so on. So the first which we are going to show, that is 3 upon 4. So this is 0 upon 4 now. So this is 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4 and this is 3 upon 4. After 3 upon 4, we are going to show 5 upon 4 now. So this is 3 upon 4, 4 upon 4, 5 upon 4. So this number is 5 upon 4. After 5 upon 4, we are going to show 2 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 means after 2 the 1. So this is my 2 and after 2 this is my 1 upon 4. Like this is our 1 upon 4. So in this way we have completed our practice set 11. Hello students. So today we are going to start practice set 12 standard 6th. The first question is of multiplication, right? So the first question given to us is 7 upon 5 is a fraction into multiply 1 upon 4. This is also a fraction. So how to solve addition and subtraction, that we have already known. Today we will learn that how to solve or how to do multiplication of a two fraction numbers. So the multiplication is very simple. Just write 7 into 1 divided by 5 into 4. You have to do the multiplication of numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. Just multiply. So 7 into 1 is 7 and 5 into 4 divided by, this sign should be given, it is very important. 5 into 4 is 20. So this is our first answer. Now the second one is 6 into 2. So just write 6 into 2, numerator multiply by numerator and denominator should be multiplied by denominator. 6 into 2 is 12 and 7 into 5 is 35. So 12 upon 35 is our second answer. Now let's for the third one. The third question is 5 into 4, 9 into 9. As you know, numerator should be multiplied by numerator divided by denominator into denominator. So 5 into 4, the answer is 20 divided by 9 into 9 is 81. The next is 4 into 2 and 11 into 7. So 4 into 2 divided by 11 into 7. So 4 2s are 8 and 11 into 7 is 77. The next one is 1 into 7 divided by 5 into 2. So 1 into 7 is 7 divided by 5 into 2 is 10. The next one is 9 into 7. Write down 9 into 7 divided by 7 into 8. So 9 into 7 is 63 and 7 into 8 is 56. So this is 63 upon 56 is our final answer. Now the next one is 5 into 6 divided by 6 into 5. So 5 into 6 is 30 and 6 into 5 answer is also 30. Now here observe that above and below the number is same, 30 and 30. So you can cancel each other, 30 and 30, and our final answer will be 1. Now 6 into 3. 6 into 3 divided by 7 into 2. 17 into 2. So 6 3s are 18 and 72s are 34. So 18 upon 34 is our answer. So in this way we have completed our first question. Now let's start with our second question. The second question is Ashok Rao planted on 2 upon 7th of his field of 20 acres. What is the plant area of the plantation of banana? Means that the total area of the field is 21 acre, and in that 21 acre they use 2 upon 7 part for the banana plantations. So which we needed to find that 2 upon 7 part means how much area is taken by the 21 acres. Means 21 एकड़ में से 22 upon 7 मतलब कितना पार्ट हम लोगों ने यूज़ किया. So what we are going to do, just simply write 2 upon 7 into 21. Now 7 is in the denominator, 21 is in the numerator. So it will divide each other. This is denominator and the numerator. So 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. Now what is remaining? 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is remaining. So just multiply 2 into 3. So our answer will be 6 acre is used for banana plantation. So write the answer that the 6 acres field is used for banana plantation. Now our last question of practice set 12 is, of the total number of a soldier in our army, is that, just assume that the total number of our soldier is in our army. Out of that 4 upon 9 are posted on the northern border. Means total number जो है हमारा that is 5,40,000. Out of that 5,40,000, the 4 upon 9th posted on the north border, and observe 1/3 of them, 1/3 of them on the northeastern border. So if the same number is soldier in the north is 5,40,000, then how many are posted in the northeastern? So just write down that 4 upon 9 is posted on north border, is posted on north border. Okay, 4 upon 9 is posted on north border. 1/3 is posted, 1/3 is posted in north eastern border. Okay, 1/3 is posted in the northeastern border, and total number of soldiers are 5,40,000 is total soldiers. So we needed to find that 1/3 posted in northeastern. So they asked us to find that how many are posted in the northeast. The northeast posted 1/3. So we just needed to convert this number into proper number, that how much is used for this northeastern border. So this is very simple. We will just multiply 1/3 into the total number of soldiers, which is 5,40,000. Now this is 5,40,000, this is 3. Now again this is numerator, this is denominator. So obviously denominator will divide the numerator. So it will be 3 1s are 3. Now 5 does not come in the 3's table. So we will take 3 1s are 3. Now 5 minus 3, it will be 2. Now this is 24. So 3 8s are 24, and just shift this 40 to here. Now that number, our answer is 1,80,000. The number of soldier posted on north eastern border is 1,80,000. Like this way we have completed our practice set 12.